This is the SONGMICS pet playpen that I use for my bunnies. These are the connectors to build the enclosure. It has 4 slits in front and on the sides to connect and build. These panels are relatively short, but you can build the panels on top of each other to make it taller and customize it to your liking. This is one of the reasons that I love this enclosure. You can build it and customize it to the pen size that you want. I also use this for bonding my bunnies, where I went from a 2x2 to a 3x3 to 4x4 and so forth, until my bunnies were bonded. These are pretty durable too. I've had these for a few years and I've only had one panel ever break. Also, I like that the panels are small enough that I can store them without taking up too much space. One thing to keep in mind if you have a bunny that is a jumper, you'll most likely need to go 2 panels high. I've had a couple of bunnies that try to jump over barriers, and 2 panels has kept both of them from trying to jump over. Overall, I'm really happy with this. So happy that I have 3 sets.